Hello all. Day before yesterday, Central Armed Police Forces Assistant Commandant's Exam 2021 happened. The very prestigious exam. But that exam question paper was subjected to criticism, controversy by some of the newspapers like, yes, see the newspaper of India TV which told that questions on farmer protest, Bengal poll violence, Delhi oxygen crisis spark the row. Not only that, another newspaper also mentioned that likely to kick up a row. The question paper of CAPF, whether it is promoting the BJP ideology, whether it is going to promote the aspirations of the BJP government, I want to show this through the question paper of CAPF. If you see some of the questions which bear very large marks also. For example, one of the question if you see here, yes, farmer protests are politically motivated. Farmer protests are politically motivated means the farmer protests which are happening in India against the 3 bills which was been passed in the parliament. Whether that farmer protest is genuine protest or politically motivated, the students were being asked this question. Whether this question paper is politically motivated, you have to answer. A big question mark. The second question which is there, see down, oxygen cylinder crisis in Delhi, which means it is questioning the incapacity or incapability of the Arvind Kejriwal government. It is directly questioning the government of Delhi. The next question, poll violence in West Bengal. In a state where the poll violence happened, it was been asked in the national exam. Whether through this exam, the Union Public Service Commission want to ask that there is a poll violence happened in West Bengal, it is advertising. Whether this question paper is against the opposition in India, whether this Union Public Service Commission examination is supporting the BJP ideology is what subjected to question. I can show you one more question which is supporting the BJP. For example, see, elections in state should be held simultaneously. The elections in state held simultaneously. Yes, this is the wish. This was the dream of Narendra Modi government. So the question was been asked. One more question. Party politics in India is a flourishing family business, indirectly targeting the Congress government. Congress party. TRS party in Telangana state. YSRCP government in Andhra Pradesh. Whether party politics in India is flourishing family business. So whether the student should answer supporting it or against it. Whether the argument should be for or the argument should be against. Whether this politically motivated question paper is really bringing the merit from the students is what is questioned. So I am not going to give any conclusion. You have to decide the conclusion. So this was sparked a row in the newspapers. It is in the media. It is in the media. So this is the controversy which was there with respect to Sunday's Central Armed Police Forces Assistant Commandant's exam. So we have to look how the future question papers will be there. On this note, all the best. Jai Hind.